Thanks for tuning into the trade setup. It's a shorter version today. Remember the global news flow, notwithstanding, I mean, there's a lot of things that happened. Nvidia cracked, it impacted the Nasdaq, but Dow ended in the green. Asian Pacific markets are mostly higher. And there is some bit of action that both US and Canada have taken around China and, etc. And Brent has held above $86 per barrel as well. US is probing China Telecom and China Mobile, and Canada has put up some measures for Chinese imports of EVs as well. But like I said, US markets, Nasdaq was down, but Dow was in the green. And Asian markets are largely, Dow futures in the green, by the way. Asian markets largely positive. The implied Nifty should be constructive, about 29 odd points, which is not bad. Remember, it was a day yesterday, which was a day of a pullback. So if you saw what happened yesterday, we started low, or rather in the first 1 hour, we were at the lowest point of the day, and then we ended up. So let's get the trade setup up on the screen, and you will see what I'm talking about. It went up, ended in the green, and there was very strong put writing at the 23,400 and 500 strikes, which gives support. So remember, the kind of puts that are written there, those are very strong supports for the Nifty per se. The Bank Nifty also participated almost the same gusto as the Nifty, and I reckon the option activity around 51,700 strike may well give the clues for the direction today. So this is something to watch out for. If the banks do well, then the Nifty certainly could do well, because there are not too many incremental negative news on some of the other sectors as well, except for one. Most people are saying that the consensus avoid is the MFI space, with fears of delinquencies as well as this whole farm loan waiver thing. So I think that space as a bucket is something that people are wanting to avoid. Very quickly to stocks that you should monitor today. Like I said, it's a very truncated version today. Excuse me for this, but it'll give you a sense of what today's trade could be like and some of the key stocks. So firstly, all cargo gati, a QIP has been launched. The indicative total issue size is of up to 200 crores, and the pricing is 101, which is about a discount of 10%. Very interestingly, the stock was up 5% yesterday. So thoda khich gaya, and now it is at a discount. Very likely that the stock will start off lower today. Let's see, because it's a large discount and not a clean out trade, never know. But maybe the stock could be under a bit of pressure today. Happiest Minds, a block deal today. Promoter and founder Ashok Shutas, who sells 6% stake, again at a discount of about 10 odd % to the current market price. Very likely this will start lower and stay lower. The third one on the screen is Borosil. QIP has been opened to raise up to 150 crores, a discount of up to 4%, not as bad, but there is a discount nevertheless. So Borosil could be in focus today, may start off lower again. What will definitely start off higher is Amara Raja. They have signed an agreement, a lithium-ion agreement with China-based Goshen, and most analysts believe that it trades at a discount of 15 to 25% on FY25-26 earnings versus Exide, and will open gap up, but could narrow the discount between Amara Raja and Exide. So watch out for this one as well. Very quickly on to some other stocks. Let's quickly fire them. So firstly, CLSA and Zomato, they were buy with a target price of 248. The reason they are saying is that Zomato is growing faster than Swiggy. Swiggy's latest numbers show the GOV at 26% versus Zomato's 36%. So very likely that Zomato could be positive in the session today. Watch out for this one. The next one on my radar is the Bernstein note on HDFC Bank, outperform rating with a target price of 2100. So they're very constructive on this one. This is the other stock that you should watch out for. Also watch out for Crystal Integrated. Nuama's note yesterday, 80% upside. Maybe that reacts positively again, but it had rallied 6% yesterday. So keep that in mind. With this, it's a wrap on today's edition of the Trade Setup.